Hey guys, Aaron here. I got my 2011 Cayenne Turbo. I just changed the oil. If you missed that video, you can check it out up here. And if you've already seen it and changed your oil, you probably want to know how to reset the service indicator. So that's what this video is for. Like most of the older cars where you can use a stalk or a switch or something in here to reset it from your instrument panel, you cannot do that on this car. You need to use a special tool to do it. I used the Launch. How about this one? Because it's got a great user interface. Works on a ton of different vehicles. This is the OBD2 port that you plug in. So on the Cayenne, it is right under here, that purple port. This piece just plugs right into it. You'll hear it beep when it's connected because it's powered now by your OBD2 port. Just power on my Launch now. It has the X431 Pro app installed. All right, and I'm just going to turn the ignition of the car on without starting the car. All right, I'm going to the service function. All right, we got oil maintenance reset. Gonna hit OK. That is gonna connect. Gonna find Porsche. Switch on the ignition. It's switched on. All right, reset maintenance interval. So we have to put in today's date with year, month, and day. 11/24. Okay. After completed maintenance, measure is reset with the procedure. Yes. Okay, oil service is what we did. Okay. Operation complete. All right, so that's it. Now, if we go to vehicle info, service intervals, we can see that our main full service is still 14,000, interim 14,000. And look, our oil change has been reset to 10,000. So I change mine every 5,000 miles. I don't go 10,000. I don't think you should either, but I will leave that up to your wise decisions. So that's it. All done. We can turn this off now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.